白色船只在海水载浮载沉，仔细看后方有男子趴成大字形等待救援。没想到下一秒一个大浪袭来，船只瞬间被扑倒翻覆，一连滚了好几圈，就连救难人员也难挡浪潮，直接被海水狠狠吞没。
It was a mayday call over the radio. At that time, various Coast Guard assets were put into motion. He was brought back to Air Station Astoria, and he was mildly hypothermic and suffered some minor injuries.
就这么刚好，落水男子出事的地点，美国奥勒冈州海巡单位正在进行演练。一接到求救电话，立刻出动救援，幸运将男子从鬼门关拉出。只是警方怎么想也想不到，这名男子根本不是船只主人，还牵扯出离奇的案外案。
After the rescue crews discovered the boat was stolen and the man rescued is the same man wanted in connection with leaving a dead fish on the porch of a home featured in the Goonies on Wednesday.
Truffle shuffle. Come on, do it!
电影《七宝奇谋》中，这栋白色木造建筑正是嫌犯恶作剧放置死鱼的同栋楼房，而且他还故意穿得一身黑，把四周监视器镜头贴上胶带，不过还是被拍了下来。
Victoria Police putting out this poster only 2 weeks ago. The charges against him: criminal harassment, mischief, and 3 counts of failure to comply.
遭警通缉偷船出港，没想到倒霉遇上大风浪，加拿大窃贼紧急报案求救，却因此意外自投罗网。财新闻黄权益报道。